Slugging traps moisture, but trapping moisture is not the same thing as repairing the skin barrier. Slugging works by sealing the skin, but sealing isn't rebuilding. Occlusives reduce water loss, but they don't replace missing lipids. If the barrier is compromised while trapping moisture without rebuilding structure, just traps irritation underneath. That's why some people feel worse after slugging, more redness, more congestion, more sensitivity. Barrier repair works best when lipid support comes first. Occlusion comes later if it's going to be needed at all. I explain how to choose oils and butters correctly inside my low-cost guide linked